welcome back. In this section we're going to be talking about setting up our broker platforms, opening up demo accounts, and just getting started and familiarized with actually putting orders in and tracking our brokers. I'm going to highlight two brokers and two brokers only. Again, I can't make a recommendation on which broker you should go with, but I will highlight two of them that I know have very good reputations, at least right as of this recording, and give you a decent spread. Now you have to remember that in the Forex market, doesn't really have commissions. Most brokers are going to make their money on the spread, and you remember the spread is the difference between the bid and the ask. Okay, every price in the market. Let me give you let me go over the basics here for those of you who may be completely unfamiliar with this. You have a bid price and an ask price. A bid price is where we sell, and ask price is where we buy. So let's go ahead and open up our market watch. Is this first icon here? Go ahead and click that. Now you can see that we have the bid column and the ask column. So at any one time you can see what the available quotes are for a currency pair. We're going to be focused on the British pound US dollar pair. But you can also see that the rest of the pairs are going to be quoted exactly the same. In fact, in any traded market, you're going to have a bid price and an ask price. Now you can see here that with the British pound right now there's a 5 pip spread. So if we wanted to sell, we would have to sell at 1.9610. If we wanted to buy, we could buy at 1.9615. And our broker is going to make the money in the difference. So you're not paying them directly. In other words, you're not going to make a trade and then just pay them say $19.95 per trade or $5.95 per trade. You're going to pay the difference in the spread. Now what does this mean? Well, what this means is that your broker has a price where he's buying pounds at. You have to remember, the only place you can buy pounds or sell pounds is directly with the bank. Now, because of the account size, most of us are going to not deal directly with the bank. We're going to be dealing with a broker. So just like any broker, if you were dealing with wholesale, you have the factory here where they're making the stuff. It goes to a wholesaler, and then sometimes a jobber, and then finally to some place like Walmart. And at each stage of the game, from the manufacturer to the wholesaler to the jobber to Walmart, at each stage of the game you have some markup, don't you? So they might make it over here. Let's say the manufacturer he's selling it to the wholesaler for $2, or the cost the cost to make it is $2. So he adds $1 to it. So the wholesaler gets it for $3. The wholesaler then adds $2. So the jobber gets it for $5. He then adds a couple of bucks. So he sells it to Walmart for $7, who turns around and sells it to us for $19.95.